Hello everybody, welcome to the class. This is Shanas Parvin here with your online class. Hope all of you are doing great at home. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we are going to start a very important topic, that is parts of speech. Actually, parts of speech plays a very important role in learning grammar because grammar is based on parts of speech only. Today, in this video, I am going to introduce parts of speech. Now, let us know what is parts of speech. The different classes into which words are divided according to their functions in a sentence are called parts of speech. According to their use or according to work they do in sentence, the part of speech are 8 in number. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Dear students, let us try to understand what they do and how can we use them. So, the first and foremost is noun. Noun. Noun is a word which is the name of a person, thing, place, animal, quality, work. Now, look at the example. Person, Rohim, Karim, Mita, Rita, etc. Thing, book, cloth, water, milk, etc. Place, Dhaka, Bangladesh, Kumilla, Chittagong, etc. Animal, cow, dog, cat, tiger, etc. Quality, honesty, kindness, wisdom, beauty, etc. Work, reading, playing, walking, swimming, etc. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of noun or a group of noun. Look at the example. Mr. Jamal is a learned man. He is a teacher. Here I have used he as a pronoun instead of Jamal, which is a noun. So I have replaced the name by pronoun. Adjective. An adjective is a word which tells about quality, quantity, position, condition, number of noun or pronoun. Look at the example. She is an honest girl. Here, honest is an adjective which qualifies the girl noun. I have 6 books. Here, 6 is an adjective which shows us number. Look at the another example. He is a smart boy. Here, smart is an adjective which qualifies the boy. Now, look at the verb. What is verb? A verb is a word used to express an action or state of a subject. Look at the example. I am writing a book. Here, writing is a verb which expresses an action. Look at another example. I am a teacher. Here, am is a verb. It is a stated verb. Adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Look at the example. The boy is walking slowly. Here, slowly is an adverb which modifies the verb walking. Look at another example. He is a very honest man. Here, very is an adverb which qualify the adjective honest. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with some other words in the sentence. These other words may be noun, verb, adjective. Preposition denotes direction, time, location of a noun with respect to other words in a sentence. Let's understand it with example. The cup is the table. Here we read the sentence. We will get to know we are talking about two nouns, cup and table, but we are not able to understand the relationship between them. Let me write the sentence again with preposition. Now look at the sentence. The cup is on the table. Now it is clear where is the cup and the relationship is also clear. Now look into the other examples. There is a cow in the garden. Here the cow is in the garden. A little boy sat under a tree. Here under is a preposition. The club is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. From and to use here to define the time of club. Now it is conjunction. Conjunction is a word or a group of words that joins two or more words, clauses and phrases. Now look at the example. Rima is a good student. Rina is a good student. Now both sentences mean the same, so we can connect them into one single sentence. The sentence will look like this. Rima and Rina are good students. Can you notice how we combine the two sentences with a word? This is the rule of conjunction and it connects. Now look into the other examples. She is poor but honest. Here we connect two sentences with the words but and it is a conjunction. Time and tide wait for none. Look at the example. Here we connect two words with the conjunction and. People dislike him because he is dishonest. Here we connect two sentences with the word because and it is a conjunction. Now last one, interjection. Interjection are those words which express certain feelings of mind and emotion. Look at the example. Hooray! We have won the match. Here, hooray is a word of joy. Alas, the man is no more. Here, alas is a word of sad. Bingo! We learned all 8 parts of speech. Look at the word bingo. It is an expression of happiness. So, these are 8 types of part of speech. This brings me to the end of the lesson. Now I hope you have a clear idea on parts of speech. We will discuss on each type of part of speech in details in our next class. Take care till then. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye bye.